Microsoft Azure SQL database. My name is Gideon Mulat. In this presentation, we'll be looking at creating resource groups, SQL database servers, and SQL database with a live demo using Microsoft Azure Portal. What is Azure SQL database? Azure SQL database is a relational database hosted in Microsoft Azure platform as a service tier. It is best for modern and cloud applications, which are quick and simple to deploy. This is not designed for legacy applications, which are complex and they need, in most cases, modernization. It's fully managed SQL Server database engine with the latest enterprise edition of SQL Server. There are a few prerequisites before we create a database on an Azure portal. First, we need to create a resource group. Then we need to create SQL database server. And then eventually we'll go and be able to create SQL database. Next, we'll be seeing a live demo. If you already have Microsoft Azure Portal account, you can go ahead and log in. Go to portal.azure.com. Once you're on the main homepage, you can navigate to SQL databases icon. Click on the icon. It will bring you to this page where you can create SQL database. I'm going to click here. Now, first thing we need to do is we need to create a resource group if we do not have one. And I'm going to create a resource group. I'm going to call my resource group Information Systems Demo Resource Group, or RG1 or RG2, whichever it is. I created RG1 earlier, so I'm going to use RG for now. Once we have that, the next thing we need to do is we need to create a server that will be hosting the database. So I'm going to click on the server icon, and all of our server names have to be in a small letter and not be capital letter. So I'm going to call my server Information Systems Demo Server. Then we need to create an admin account. I'm going to call mine AD in short, and our password has to be 8 or more characters. A combination of alphabets and word. Okay. Last, we need to pick up the location. My default location is East US, but if you live in different region, you can pick different data center to host your database server and database. Click OK. Once this is done, it'll bring me here. There we go. No thanks. It'll bring me here where I can pick my database name. So I'm going to call my database Information Systems Demo DB. I'm going to call it DB for database, and I'm going to go with the default settings like compute and storage. On the next page, it will give you the detail of total estimate cost and some of the detail of database like collation and additional configurations. Press OK. This part of the deployment of the resource group, database server, and database will take about 2 minutes. So I'm going to pause for now. All right, as you can see, our resources are created and your deployment is complete. So our deployment of the resource group, which is right here, RG, Information System Demo RG, the server and the database are all successful. You can see notification here, and it will show you if your deployment was successful or if it failed for that matter. So if we go to the database now, we can see the database is set up, and you can see all the configurations and what you need to do. And if you want to do any update or change, this is where you come. So it's very simple and easy to use, and the resource group has been created, and then also inside the resource group the database server is created and the database resides there. Hope this helps. Thank you.